Where are you going now?
Robin, she knows she's still...
Thank you. That way.
Yep. Valerie, did you hear that?
Yes, I did. I got. Okay, kiddo, watch where you're going. Hi. She wants to sit down by the monkey.
Sophie, you're going to have to say bye-bye to the monkey.
Pretty soon.
You have to
Go sit next to him and say bye-bye.
Must sit next to him.
Say, we'll see you next time.
Take a picture.
Nice to meet you.
I come back with letter 2.
Sophie, sit next to the monkey, honey, so I can take a picture, okay? Good girl. Sit next to it. Give it a hug. Give the monkey a nice hug.
No kisses, no kisses.
Wait. Oh,
Aww.
how sweet.
Say, I'll see you next time.
I see you next time.
Say, nice to meet you, Mr. Monkey.
Nice to meet you, my mama.
Good job.